Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about general agriculture. Let's start. Prominent foul smell of kernel is due to trimethylamine. The most important process in chemical weathering is hydrolysis. Vector of leaf curl disease of cotton and tobacco, Bemisia tabeci. Vector of tomato spotted wilt, Thrips tabeci. The level to which given the population should be reduced to achieve the point where marginal revenue just exceeds marginal cost. ETL reagent used for the extraction of phosphorus in alkaline soil is Olsen reagent. Pusa delicious is a type of papaya ganosus. The first insect-resistant variety under hill is related to wheat. Odomus, the mosquito repellent, contains pyrethrin. Based on severity of damage, wheat pest which have been ranked into the order termite greater than brown rust greater than kernel bunt greater than loose smut. India has monopoly in the production of Munga silk. The pest, which is result features and confined to a particular locality known as endemic. Bundle sheath chloroplast is Lake grana. High oxygens and low cytokinins favors root. Precursor of ethylene is methionine. Cranch anatomy is seen in C4 plants. Amaranthus. An insect pest is Helicoverpa. Carbohydrate factory of cell is known as chloroplast. The photorespiration NH3 evolution takes place at mitochondria. Organelles involved in photorespiration, chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisomes, which is total root parasite, Rafflesia and Orobanchi. The particle size of bollites is 1 to 100 microns. The term genetics was coined by Batson 1905. Components of prokaryotic ribosomes are 50S and 30S. Plasma membrane is a selective membrane. ABO blood group is an example of multiple alleles. Baldness is a sex-limiting character. The most common form of DNA is bDNA. Replication of DNA is semi-conservative. H4 is the first cotton hybrid. So the wheat and maize improvement center is located in Mexico. The cereal grain starch consists of amylopectin and amylase. The National Agriculture Insurance Scheme was launched in 1999 to 2000. Loose smut disease of wheat is an entirely seed-borne disease. Flavor saver is a variety of tomato which is developed by Calgon in USA. Cotton leaf curl virus is transmitted by whitefly, Bemisia tabeci. The region in India where boron deficiency mostly occur, northwest region. The brown box dots on the food package indicates organically produced product. The first DG of ICR, Dr. B.P. Pal, also known as father of food in India. Land resource in India is as whole world is 2.42%. The soil order vertisol related to black soils, which transgenic crops has maximum cultivated area in the world. Soybean. The estimate food grain production during 2020-2021 296.7 metric ton. Which state has maximum area in fruit production? Maharashtra.